हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे नेल्लई में, जिसको तिरुनेलवेली भी बोलते हैं, लोकल लैंग्वेज में नेल्लई और वैसे तिरुनेलवेली। और हम लोग हैं आज इस रात की रात्रि में अन्ना स्टेडियम, जो यहाँ का माना एक स्पोर्ट्स तिरुनेलवेली में है। और ये हमारे पूरे टीम मेंबर्स जो आज हम भागेंगे, पता नहीं रात के अंधेरे में नज़र आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे। तो कितना भाग रहे हो आज आप?
10 किलोमीटर
सारे 10 किलोमीटर भाग रहे हैं। चलो गुड। कुछ लेडीज़ भी हैं जो फिटनेस के ऊपर पूरा ध्यान रख रहे हैं। सो हाउ मच यू आर रनिंग? 5?
Yes, sir, 5 kilometers.
5 एंड यू? 5 किलोमीटर। तो कितनी बार भाग लिया अभी तक आपने? सेकेंड टाइम। आपने तो बहुत बार भाग लिया। 6? तो हमारे साथ काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस रनर्स भी हैं इस बार। चलो, रेस विल स्टार्ट इन फ्यू मिनट्स, देन we'll run together. Okay, the race has started. So we are starting from the out gate of the Anna Stadium and slowly inching ahead as lot of crowd is here. Come. Yes. Lot of crowd. Difficult to move ahead, but need to keep inching ahead slowly and steadily. Woohoo! Yeah, now the crowd is picking up the pace. कैसा लग रहा है? ठीक है रनिंग? बहुत बढ़िया। और पूरे क्राउड में छोटे बच्चे से लेके बड़ी उम्र तक सभी लोग हैं, और उनको देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब में बड़ा जोश है, एनर्जी है। गुड। वैसे तो रिपोर्टिंग सनराइज से पहले था, रात में ही, मगर अभी सुबह निकल गया है, लाइट भी हो गई है, तो अभी विजिबिलिटी भी ठीक हो गई है। ये गुड जोश बाय द रनर्स। या
रन के लिए वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा।
मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल and this is has been just newly inaugurated by the CM Stalin, and on the horizon one can see the beautiful oranges sunrise coming up. Beautiful. And the weather is also very conducive and comfortable to run. Small kids also running with pace and energy. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. So this is a Tirunelveli Medical College and Super Specialty Hospital. Passing through the Tirunelveli Center flyover, and if you go towards left, there is a Copperleaf Hotel, and beside that you are going through the highway which is taking you to Thoothukudi, and this one which you are taking now, this one towards the left takes you to the Sichandur, and one going straight ahead will take you to Kanyakumari. The highway board is also there. Still moving on the Tirunelveli Sichandur highway, and onto our left, right, you can see a place filled with water, and this is what I like about this place because there are a lot of water points here and there, and these are also a good habitat for the birds. In fact, even the migratory birds come here, and you can see pelican, great herons, and beautiful other birds all around the year, and makes this beautiful place even more exotic. Though there is a bird sanctuary also here, which is called Kantakulam, but if you are not able to go there, such water bodies have also attraction for the birds, and you can always visit these places and see these exotic birds. Yeah, good running. Sun is also up and above. So, yeah, come, Vanga. Yeah, good man. Little bit of slope is here. One can't be able to find them on the camera, but as you run along and you feel the resistance in the body, then this incline can be felt. The 10-kilometer podium finishers are already on their way to the finish point. We have completed half a kilometer more to go. Okay, passing through the 5-kilometer turning point. Water point. Hi. And we have turned from the 5-kilometer turning point, and now again moving towards Tunnel Valley. कोई नहीं, बढ़िया. Oh, camera got saved, and on the move again. Woo. Now earlier the sun was in front of us. Now after the 5-kilometer turning point, the sun is on our back, so the sun glare is less because of the cloud cover which is there. Whew. Again, on our way back, we are going under the flyover of the Tunnel Valley Center, which I told earlier that if you move towards right, you have Copperleaf Hotel, and if you turn U-turn, then it is highway to Thoothukudi, and if you turn left, then it is Kanyakumari. Yeah, so the board is also here. Tunnel Valley straight, Kanyakumari. Okay, this is the second time, but the show must go on. So we'll continue to record, no problem. We need to finish the thing which we have started. Yeah, we have come under the flyover. Now moving slowly towards the finishing point at Anna Stadium. From here, it's 2.5 kilometers more to go to finish this race. Passing through the medical hospital, multi-specialty hospital of Tunnel Valley, on our way back to the finishing point. Ooh. Yeah, Vanga. Yeah, people are still with full of energy and josh.
1.5 kilometer left, sir.
Yeah, 1.5 kilometer more to go, and then we'll be finishing this race. And running has been good. It's 7:30 and the sun is still obscured by the clouds, so running is still going comfortable. Yeah, this is the ground of the medical college, and many people in the morning come here for the jog and walk, which is a good facility which is provided by the hospital for the common people. Yeah, you're from which school or college?
School.
Which school?
Serious.
St. Xavier's. Oh, great, great. That's a very prominent school here. One of the best, I think. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. You are in which class? 12th?
12th.
Good, yeah. You are going well for the fitness. So, what made you run this race?
Fun.
Hmm?
Fun.
Okay. Okay, he is here for the fun and for the friends. That is what is required. If one is able to enjoy the grueling session, then one can take on the challenges of the life also, isn't it? Yeah. Good, Josh. Passing through the high ground downhill, and from here it's 1 kilometer more to go for the finishing point. And I think this is the last water point which are having. Thank you. Mike Zulu. Good running and good number of water points for the refreshment all along the route. I think there is breakfast also. Breakfast, yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Sometimes they keep breakfast also, which is a added point, and it's like a picnic when you complete, and then you have refreshments and snacks. Whew. Let's see if it's there, but still altogether a good run. Manga, Tambi. Huh? You are in the camera. Say hi. Yeah, what's your name? Surya. That actor Surya. Singham. Huh? You're from which college? Which college? School? Yeah, you're looking bigger than your height. Okay, so which school? Thuthukudi. Oh, he has come all the way from Thuthukudi, which is around 1 hour away from this place. That is Tirunelveli. So, good Josh shown by the youngster. Yeah, see, he is going ahead. He has again got the energy and moving ahead now with full pace. Yeah, good. और साहब अभी तक कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया साहब. Thanks for you. After a long time, without practice, finished 10 kilometer run without walking.
Yeah, good. No, it's all your motivation and your willingness. साहब का खुद का determination और willingness है, जिसकी वजह से हम ये पूरा रन कर रहे हैं. बढ़िया है. I think 500-600 meter more, then we will finish. Oh. Yeah, so we have again one youngster coming along for the finishing line. So you are from which college or school? St. Xavier.
Yeah.
A lot of students from St. Xavier who have participated in this.
I don't know.
A lot of your friends are here. So why you have participated? What's your motivation for this run?
Running, I become taller.
Eh?
Running, become taller.
For running?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's also running to better himself in all aspects. So one of this thing is the fitness, which he wants to improve So there are varied number of people running for various purposes, some for fun, some for being with their friends, and some to improve their own abilities. Yeah. Good. What's your name? Harsh?
Yeah.
Harsh. Full name?
Harsh Ved.
Harsh Ved.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Come, Manga. Tummy. You are on camera. People will say you are walking. Come, come. Yeah. Small step now. 200 meter only. Come, come. So ahead one can see people turning inside the Anna Stadium entrance gate, and this is the DC and the SP office, which is the entrance gate of their office here. So yeah, few more meters to go. Last 100 meter, and they always say that one must finish with a bang. So yes, increasing the speed and the energy. Woo. Yeah, yeah, good running. Last 50 meter to the entrance. Woo. Aja, come, come. Yeah, all people increasing their speed at the end to finish off in a good manner. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. Good finishing, pal. Well done. Yeah. Or the participants of this run, and they'll be telling us why they participated and what was their motivation behind it. So who is going to start off? You?
Sir, I am, sir.
Yeah. So
இன்னைக்கு டிசம்பர் 28 நெல்லை மாரத்தான் வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ மாரத்தான்ங்கிறது ஒரு காம்படிஷன் மாதிரி. இது ஸ்பீடை பொறுத்து இல்லை, நம்மளோட தைரியத்தையும் அப்புறம் நம்மளோட உறுதியையும் பொறுத்தது. எல்லோரும் ஓடுவாங்க, ஆனால் ஜெயிக்கிறது வந்து சில பேர் ஜெயிப்பாங்க. இருந்தாலும் நம்மளோட காம்படிஷன் நம்மளாக தான் இருக்கணும். எப்போவும் நம்மளோட காம்படிஷன் அடுத்தவங்களாக இருக்கக்கூடாது. நம்மளோட காம்படிஷன் நம்ம இருக்கணும். நம்ம வந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் பார்ட்டிசிபேஷனோட இந்த தடவை அதிகமாக நம்மளோட எஃபர்ட்டை போட்டு பெஸ்ட்டாக பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் பி ஈகர், எனர்ஜெட்டிக் அண்ட் என்தூசியாஸ்டிக்.
yeah, good slogan. Yeah. What about you?
I am Natarajan.
Natarajan, the name itself is so divine. Natarajan is also the other name of Lord Shiva. Yeah.
I am motivated by my brother. நான் வந்து எப்போவுமே தயக்கப்படுவேன். அண்ணன் மூலமாக தான் ஓடுறது இப்போ கொஞ்சம் திறமையாக இருந்திருக்கு.
ஓகே.
இப்போ அவன் தான் கூப்பிட்டு போவான், எங்கேனாலும் மாரத்தான் வர்றது. ஜெயிக்கிறே இல்லை, கூட வா, ஓடு, சும்மா பார்த்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான், மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுவான். அப்படி ஓடி தான் இப்போ கலந்துருக்கேன். இன்னைக்கு வந்த 28 டிசம்பரில் 10 கிலோமீட்டர் நான் ஃபுல் இது ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணி இப்போ வந்திருக்கேன். முதல்லலாம் ஓடவே முடியாது, இப்போ 10 கிலோமீட்டர் ஓடுதேன். இதுக்கெல்லாம் காரணம் இவன் தான், அண்ணன் தான்.
Okay. Good. So
he is motivating me.
Yeah, that's so he is the one who is motivating him, and seeing their energy, I am getting motivated. So these people are giving energy to us, people like us, to run at this age. I am 50 years. So these youngsters are the one, when you go and run along with them, they are the one who pushes you and goad you to move ahead and finish that thing. So thank you very much. And so this was how many runs you have done up till now? How many 10 kilometers you have done?
I have done nearly 4 to 5 marathons.
Right.
His first time.
Oh, first you completed.
10 meters.
So he is solo first run 10 kilometers, and he ran very well for his first time. So my best wishes, keep going.
Thank you.
And next time it should be half marathon and then full marathon. Okay, so keep graduating as you move ahead. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It was good running with you all. Thank you. So it was great being part of this marathon, and so finishing off with good energy and good josh. So we'll meet in the next event or any other thing which happens here. Take care, bye, keep the josh.